Hey guys, so I got my iPhone 5 and I've had it for a while and I was wondering if any of you guys could help me out with this. Um, Here it is. It's been working for the most part completely fine. Hold on, let me get out of the case. And recently this morning I was listening to music in the auxiliary and I plugged it in and it made some kind of strange noise and it stopped making sound. So I tried to reboot it and it just won't start back up. Um, Watch, I'll show you. I'll hold this down. I had a full charge when it turned off. I can hold this for. I mean, I've had iPhones for like 4 years, and they usually turn back on. I even tried both, but I don't know what's wrong. It just they won't turn back on. I'm not sure what the problem is. If any of you guys could let me know. I don't know if this has happened to anyone else. I've tried plugging it in. It'll show me like that it's really dead. That's what it says. And then the Apple thing will come up, and then it'll go dim and turn off again. So if any of you guys know what the deal is with that, uh, just please let me know. Thank you very much.